Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily change your primary market on Shopify store. So all you have to do is head over to admin.shopify.com and you will then be redirected to your seller's web page. And from here, at the bottom left corner of your screen, you should be able to see settings. Just click on it, and from this section, just look for markets. And in this example, I have currently an existing primary market. And for today, we're going to try to change our primary market to Singapore. So all you have to do is just click on your preferred market. From here, just click on More Actions drop down. Then click on Make Primary Market. Then just confirm. And if we check and go back, we can see that Singapore is now our primary market. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!